Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today we are doing eyes. This is a palette that I got from Winners a while back. we won't say dates. But it is a product that has been around for a while. You'll have to forgive me, I put some lip scrub on and I don't want to take it off right away because my lips have been bad, so I'm probably going to be going like this a lot. So if it annoys people, I really do apologize. But yeah, this is a product that's been around for a little while, at least a year, and it was at Winners. A lot of people liked it, some people didn't. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my face, it's my Project Pan so far, except for it's the Glossier Trios. They had a couple of different colors, and I just went with this one, which is why I'm wearing blue today. It's a very dark blue, but it's blue. Even my leggings are blue. So let's swatch. Let's see what the swatches tell me. I haven't even swatched this yet. I wanted to do it on camera. I wanted to do it with you guys. Now those are orange. This is orange for Halloween orange, but it's beautiful. It's not the best color for brown eyes. This would be amazing with blue eyes, but it's spectacular. So they have that one shimmer, which is almost a non-shimmer. I don't know. I'm going to start with the matte with my Refer 16. 3 tiny taps. Okay. I can't remember who it was that I was watching. I think it might have been Lisa J from BK Beauty. And she says do not tap your brush on any hard surface because it can damage the ferrule. Ever since I watched her say that, I have not been doing it. And every time I watch a YouTuber, an influencer, creator, whatever you want to call us, them, more them, every time I see them do it on a hard surface, I go, especially when they have the BK Beauty brushes. Lisa, at least I listen to you. Send me some, please. I know that it won't happen, but anyway, it's fun to say that. It's fun to try. Plus, it also reminds me to, when I'm editing my videos, to write down who I need to tag in my videos. So a lot of what you hear me say is just for my own sake, for reminders. I was putting on my foundation with a wet sponge. Who am I? It happens every now and then. Actually, I wet the sponge yesterday because I had planned to do this video yesterday, but hubby came home early. Even though it was Sunday, he went to do some work for a friend who is going to rent out his house. And so he came home early and I just didn't. And when I came to check on the sponge, I was like, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I? So I went to re-wet it. But I was having trouble with my foundation. Now, the foundation doesn't smell bad. It still smells the same. I had some pilling, so I'm thinking that my Rare Beauty, the highlighty one, is giving me some pilling issues. I'm gonna try tomorrow, see if I do a video tomorrow, I hope, because this is all new stuff, and that doesn't even include me just doing videos with old stuff. And there's not a lot of new stuff, it's just I haven't gotten around to it because I just can't get my butt out of bed. That's a whole other ball game. But anyway, so I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna try tomorrow to do the video without putting the Rare Beauty on and see if there's pilling. And I'm not gonna use, like, I'm gonna use my sponge, but I'm not gonna re-wet it. It's still gonna be damp, but it's not gonna be wet. So we'll see what happens because, God, it was awful. everything was coming off. It was as if I had the Smashbox on. Maybe it's not the Smashbox's fault. I'm willing to admit if I'm wrong. Because a Virgo's never wrong. This Virgo is. And I will be the first to admit if I'm wrong. Hubby, not so much. But I think that's a male trait. He's also Virgo, so the two combined is pretty much a bad dynamic. What are the odds? Husband number 1 and husband number 2 being Virgos. Can somebody explain that to me? Okay, I'm going to go to this thing with a number 13. And I'm going to see if I can make my actual crease, oh, shimmery and darker. I like this little palette. I don't know how many colors are available. I don't think there were that many available. So far, I kind of like the formula. The matte, I took my time building because it's easier to build up than to take away. If you guys know if you guys have seen some of my videos, you know. I think I'm going to put, and my left eye is watery, so what's going to happen is I'm going to start crying. I like that shimmer. It didn't swatch very shimmery, but I like that shimmer. I think it was about, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago that I watched Khaki. I was watching some of her older videos, and she's, if I remember right, she liked these. I could be wrong and misremembering, but I watched so many videos, it's hard to remember one from the other. Okay, my favorite brush, because it handles the shiny stuff. I have a plate beside me that I put there after Christmas of a look that I would like to do for New Year's Eve. If you would like to see me do that video, let me know and I will do it. And now I'm realizing that everything is, it looks very different on the camera viewfinder than it does on this side of the multiverse. It looks a lot harsher on the viewfinder. I'm getting close to the end of this. Getting close. which means I have to finish Bourgeois before. Getting there. Yeah, I'll be back. And I took off my lip scrub. Lips feel a bit better. So I am going to use my Suburbia. I've been noticing that I grew up where you point your Cupid's bow, and I rarely see anybody do that. I always see people overlining. I've always overlined on the bottom, never done it on the top. I think I did a video way back where there was a TikTok where you're and you put your lipstick on and boom, you had big lips. I'd have to dig it out to remember, but I don't know. We shall see. Rowan, I'm down to here. I'm not, this is not my project pan, but I have to use my lip product. So when I see that it goes down, I'm proud of myself. Just a hint of mint. And I still have a grain. Yeah, I like this. I like this. It's a little more mauvey than I thought it was going to be, but I think it's because of the lip liner, which is not a bad thing then that I didn't put too much on, because I wanted to stick to these tones because of the eyes. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying. My head is hard. It doesn't seem to want to take in anything anymore, but there you go. I'm actually liking my eyebrows today. Maybe a tad dark, but I'm still liking them. And I am working. Okay. The problem I have is that I want to use everything. But I have to use this. I've got another one. I've got a dent. Whoops, wrong way. I've got a dent in, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. And I've got a bit of a dent starting in the blush. But it's way too precious to get rid of. It's like, I can't give it to anybody. It's too old. And I don't want to throw it out because it's too old. So if you guys see this in your local Winners, this little compact, get it. I mean, if I can work with this kind of formula, imagine what you can do. It's not bad. I know that these are supposed to be interchangeable, the inserts, but they're all sold with one of these, so what's the point? Next time I go to Winners, which should be this week because I have a prescription to pick up, even though I'm on a no-buy, Winners is not included. No. But I will be more circumspect with regards to what I choose. Skincare, yes. Cosmetics, very, very picky is what I will be. The last 2 times I went to Winners, I didn't get any, and the last time I was at the drugstore, I didn't even go into Winners because I didn't want to be tempted. So Winners is one of those gray areas because, first of all, our Winners gets pretty much nothing. When we get something like this, it's just, and everything's gone in a day. So if I can get my hands on something at Winners at the right price, it will not count. It doesn't count. But I love the shimmer. I really do. So there you go. I did my makeup. That's a good thing. Last time I did my makeup was Thursday. I won't get through my project pan very quick if I do that. Every 4 days? No. And on a hair wash day too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's medication time. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.